Another day in pony life. Hays CISD, that's what we do. It's all good. Paul Alvarado. I work for Hays CISD. I'm a mail carrier, otherwise known as Pony. Normal day consists of coming in at 6, usually open the gates if no one's here to open the gates. Clocking in, doing what we do, going to central office, loading up for the rest of the day, for the first route at least. Heading out to trans, getting the print shop, getting everything ready, getting everything situated to start heading out to the schools and give what they need. A lot of it's the central office mail that needs to go out, and then a lot of it's the print shop that also goes out, but a lot of it's also the library that also sends stuff out in the little red pouches. But it's just a multitude of, a lot of envelopes, a lot of boxes that go out that, from day-to-day basis, that needs to be out there in a timely fashion. It affects us. The wind is the worst part. The wind gives me beside big trucks, but even though we do have the weather, rain, icy weather, wind, if it's on the calendar, we're there. We pretty much come in, even during bad weather. So it plays a big part on what we do, but it just slows down our routes. And schools seem to understand that, and some of them even call us to make sure we're okay. Hey, are y'all coming by? Or stuff like that. So the weather plays a big part in what we do, but we're always here because we love it. We love what we do. It's great. I love my job. I know I speak for the other guys too also, because we love our job also, but one of the things that we try to do is that when we walk in, of course we want everybody to know we're there. Anybody wants that. But we want everybody to know that we're there, but know we're there because we're there to give them a smile and let them know, hey, look, your stuff is here. You know, especially on payroll days, everybody's happy to see us on payroll days. But other than that, some of them they're expecting an envelope, and then we bring it to them, and then they, oh, thank you for everything. But our thing is that, like, we try to give everybody a smile. We want everybody to smile because we know throughout the day they're gonna be hectic already. Why not have a little bit of 10-second smile? You know, just enjoy it. Just enjoy your day because we're here. But that's what we do. We just like doing our job. We love doing what we do. Hi, I'm Paul Alvarado. I'm with Hays CISD, 100% Hays CISD, that's what I am, mail carrier.